grow up hearing it everywhere. Just stay positive. Look on the bright side. Think happy thoughts. It sounds harmless, even inspiring. And in many ways, positive thinking can uplift us. But what if I told you that positivity has a dark side? A side that can damage your mental health, destroy your motivation, ruin relationships, and even stop you from becoming the person you want to be. Because sometimes positivity doesn't heal you. Sometimes it silences you. And today, we're going to explore the dangerous side of positive thinking. The hype. Why positivity feels so good. Let's be clear. Positive thinking can be powerful. It boosts resilience. It helps us cope with stress. It gives hope. But here's the catch. The brain loves positivity because it feels good, not because it's always good for you. Like sugar, a little sweetness helps, but too much, you get sick. Positivity works the same way. Danger number 1. Toxic positivity, when good vibes go too far. Imagine telling someone you're struggling, that you're overwhelmed, anxious, lonely, or grieving, and they respond with, "You'll be fine. Just be positive. Stay strong. Look on the bright side." Sounds supportive, right? But deep down, it doesn't help. It hurts. Because these messages do one thing. They invalidate your real emotions. This is called toxic positivity. The pressure to feel good even when everything inside you is falling apart. When people want you to be positive all the time, they're not comforting you. They're avoiding your pain. And when you force yourself to be positive all the time, you're not healing. You're suppressing. And suppressed emotions always return, louder, heavier, and more painful. Danger number 2. Positivity can make you ignore real problems. Think about a leaking roof. If you cover it with a motivational poster that says, "Don't worry, be happy," the leak doesn't disappear. The house just gets worse. But this is exactly what we often do with our lives. We try to positive think our way out of burnout, unhealthy relationships, financial problems, mental health struggles, overwhelming workloads, exhaustion, trauma. But problems don't go away just because you look on the bright side. Positivity can distract you from the truth, and the truth is what actually sets you free. Danger number 3. It creates unrealistic expectations. When you believe positive thinking solves everything, failure becomes personal. You start thinking, if I'm still struggling, it must be my fault. If I feel sad, I'm not trying hard enough. If I'm anxious, I must not be positive enough. If I feel broken, I must be doing positivity wrong. But mental health is not a performance. It's not a competition. It's not a test. No amount of smiling can cure depression. No amount of optimism can erase trauma. No amount of good vibes can fix exhaustion. Sometimes you're tired because you're human, not because you're not positive enough. Danger number 4. Positivity can kill motivation. This one surprises people, but when you tell yourself, it's all gonna work out, your brain relaxes. It feels like the work is already done. It releases dopamine early, rewarding you before you take action. This is called premature reward, and it tricks your brain into losing motivation. Suddenly, your goals feel less urgent. You start delaying things. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next year. Positivity made you comfortable, but comfort doesn't create progress. Danger number 5. It can make you terrified of negative emotions. When you're conditioned to stay positive, you learn to fear emotions like sadness, anger, fear, disappointment, frustration. But these emotions are not the enemy. They are signals. They point to what needs to change. They help you set boundaries. They teach you what matters. They warn you when something is wrong. By avoiding negative emotions, you silence your inner compass. It's like driving with your warning lights turned off. You don't see danger until it's too late. Danger number 6. Positivity can distance you from others. People rarely connect through perfection. They connect through vulnerability. But if you're always the positive one, people may stop sharing real things with you because they feel you won't understand. Or worse, they think you don't want to understand. Your attempt to stay positive may unintentionally send this message: I'm not comfortable with your pain. I don't know how to handle your real feelings. I only want to see the good parts of you. Real relationships require space for the uncomfortable. The real problem: positivity without honesty. Positivity becomes dangerous when it tries to replace reality instead of support it. Hope is powerful, but hope without action is fantasy. Optimism is helpful, but optimism without honesty is denial. Healthy positivity isn't about pretending everything is great. It's about acknowledging what's real and choosing to move forward anyway. So what does healthy positivity look like? Healthy positivity says, I'm struggling, but I'm trying. I'm hurting, but I believe things can change. This is difficult, but I'm not alone. I'm overwhelmed, but I'll take it one step at a time. I feel lost, but I won't give up on myself. It doesn't deny your pain. It walks with you through it. It doesn't silence your emotions. It listens to them. It doesn't force you to smile. It allows you to feel. Healthy positivity isn't loud. It's gentle, honest, and grounded in truth. The bottom line: positive thinking can lift you, but when pushed too far, it can break you. Because you're not meant to be happy all the time. You're meant to be human. Humans feel deeply. Humans hurt. Humans fall. Humans cry. Humans doubt. Humans rise again. Real strength isn't pretending everything is perfect. Real strength is facing the storm and choosing to grow from it. So don't force positivity. Choose honesty. Choose self-awareness. Choose real emotional courage. And in that truth, you'll find something far more powerful than positivity. You'll find peace.